ladies, you already know what time it is. Talofa lava, everyone. My name is Tallulah Iwini Pio, and welcome back to Fresh Looks in 2 minutes. Activewear edition.
Outfit number 1, we've got the staple crop top, very stretchy. We've also got some flares.
So on to my 3 styling tips on how to style your Timbalands. My first styling tip would have to be keeping it baggy. My next styling tip would have to be a monochromatic outfit.
We have a MVP hoodie, very lightweight, so if you're doing those hearty burpees, you definitely cannot feel that extra weight on your skin.
I am a performer, actor, singer. As a part of that, I get invited to events a lot, and tonight I have a very special party. It is a pop icons theme, so I'm probably looking for something kind of early 2K. Okay, I've gone for like a 2000s vibe, kind of Destiny's Child era. I've blinged up a bit with a few of my own accessories, got the gold hoops and the gold jewelry. This basic black tee, you can dress up for anything.
It's our first day at school.
Kia ora!
Malo lele.
Nissan Bunamanaka.
And warm Pacific greetings, fam.
Welcome to another episode of Fresh Outta Water, babe. Let's push. We're going somewhere, we have no idea what we're doing. Apparently, I'm Paris Hilton and this is Nicole Richard.
Hi, I'm Fat.
I'm Jax.
Welcome, boys. I'm Chai from the Kung Fu School.
Are we seriously doing Kung Fu? What?
Hands up.
Don't even fit around his head.
Now,
Very good.
the first one is a front kick.
Welcome to Spookers. In case you hadn't already guessed, we are a scare attraction, a haunted house. So tonight, you two get to be 2 of our monsters.
Now with your arms, take us on a story. Take us on a journey. What are you trying to say? Are you saying I'm the most grandest person in the world, or are you saying something else? I'm Moana from Motunui. Now we're gonna go into a lunge. Think of opening the heavens with your arms. So step, bend, and then you're gonna roll up. Yes! Now roll up, roll up, roll up.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. We would like to invite you to join our session today and learn a little bit about artistic swimming.
Synchronized swimming.
Go and just say turn. Woo!
Good. Now, let's flow it a little bit more. Too easy.
Wow.
I did not sign up for this.
All right, hey girls, we have some special guests joining us tonight.
Do you guys mind if I just get a little bit comfortable over here? Sorry, girls, you might just need to shuffle a little over there.
Do you have this at home? Sorry.
Hold hands to hands.
This is a friendly
Down.
Down. Oh my gosh.
Go.
Hey guys, my name is Uso Jax, and my performance is ordinary.
Let's go, cuz.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. I'm no ordinary girl from the deep blue underworld. Thank you.
Build it, cuz.
3, 2, 1, action! Breaststroke, breaststroke. Faster, faster. What do you call that? That looked really tiring and I wasn't even doing it.
Hi, guys. I'm Fats482, and my performance today is about blocking the noise. Get away from me. I am not signing up to your program. I'm not available. I'm not commenting, all right? Oh, please leave me alone. I'm not commenting to start. Thank you, guys.